Hi, this is Austin from DripBook, and today we are going to discuss exporting a website using our platform. DripBook offers 10 HTML5 templates as well as 10 Flash-based designs. And these are all templates that you can then edit the colors and the fonts and customize in certain ways. We recommend all of our users choose one of the HTML5 templates since it's just a better way of building a website and it works more seamlessly across devices like iPads and smartphones. Alright, so to export a website with DripBook, all you need is just a domain name which you can get from anywhere like GoDaddy or another domain registrar company, and then a premium account on DripBook. So if you don't have a premium account on DripBook, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial, or if you have an account with us already, just go to My Controls, Account Level, and you can select the premium account and upgrade from there. Alright, so to export a website, we're going to go to My Controls and then Export, and then go to Exported Websites, and then if you've already started working, you can click Make Changes to Your Last Design, but we're going to proceed to step 1, choose our design. Like I said, we're going to want to choose one of the HTML5 designs since it's just a better way of building the website. So we'll choose HTML5. And now this is the page where you can edit all sorts of things about your website, like font colors, font sizes, and then a few different things that we'll discuss here. Anything that you see 2 asterisks by like this means you're going to have to re-export the website before you see the changes. And then we'll discuss how to export your website in a little bit. So the browser SEO title, that's what is going to show up if someone Googles your website. Let's see, you can upload a logo here. Just look at the specs are given right here, whether you want a square logo or a rectangular logo. Basic settings, this is just things like your font color, background color, whether or not you want your caption information to show. You can select to have your portfolio load when someone first opens your website. Instead of going to the home page, they would be directed right to a portfolio. And then there's just some more font things, colors. You can add an additional main menu link if you want. So this will show up in your main menu as a link, but it'll take someone to an external web page. You can incorporate a Google Analytics tracker code. So if you really want to get into the fine details of your SEO, you can incorporate your website with Google Analytics. You can do some CSS styling. It's not really necessary. Font for captions, just some more font stuff. Your profile information, this is going to be pretty much the bio section of your website where you tell people about yourself. And then you can also add a profile picture here. And then contact information, this is where you can add all of your contact info. And then anything you put in here will be a full link. So we'll click Save and proceed to step 3, preview your exported website. We'll get a nice preview of our website here so we can see what it looks like. And we'll click Proceed to step 4, export your website. Alright, so this is the last page where you actually export your website to your domain name. So there's 2 main options. There's actually 3 options. But the main 2 are to let us host your website for you or to get an external web host. So if you host the website with us, that means you'll put the website on our server. It's probably the easiest in terms of setup. But if you go with option 2, you can have an external web host account with another service, and they might provide email for your website or some other features that we don't necessarily have. And then you can also download your website file if you have your own server or web host account, you just want to upload it yourself. Alright, so we'll just go over option 1 right now since this is the easiest. Let us host your website for you. So under Show Instructions, you'll see it says, in order for DripBook to host your website, your domain name must be configured to point at DripBook's server. You do this by editing your domain's ADNS record to point to and then this number right here. So you're going to want to copy that. And then I have a GoDaddy account that I'm going to show you how to do this on, but it's pretty much the same setup for any domain registrar account that you might have got your domain from. All right, so I'm going to go to my account here. And then we're going to open domains. Open up our domain name. And then where it says DNS zone file, we'll click on that. All right, and then you can see it's pointing to this number here. That's the A DNS record, so we're going to change that to point to DripBook server, which is that number. We'll click Finish, and we'll save our changes. Good, so now my domain name is pointing to DripBook server. So if you come back here and you click Publish My Website, you'll see it says we're preparing your website. It should be available within 5 minutes. So we'll give that a second to load, and you should be able to see the website after it's been exported. So now under option 2, if you wanted to host it with somebody else, another hosting service, you can totally do that. You just need to get 4 pieces of information from your web host account, and that's your FTP host name, your FTP username, your FTP password, and your FTP initial path. And then if you just talk to the customer support wherever you have your hosting, they should be able to give you these 4 pieces of information. And once you have that, you'll just plug it in here and click Export My Website. Give it about an hour and you should see your website show up. So after we successfully export our website, we're going to want to wait for about an hour or two, and then we'll be able to see our website show up live. So I'm going to pause the recording and then we'll come back when the website's ready. Alright, so my website has started showing up now. So as you can see, it's live. If I just type in my domain name, it loads my first portfolio just like I selected for it to. We got all our information here. And yeah. Alright, well, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, you can email support@dripbook.com or call us at 323-366-8772 between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific time. Take care. Bye.